Check this one out. Hey there folks, this is Josh, Stony Ridge Farmer. Welcome back to the farm. Welcome to another Tool Tuesday here on the farm where we feature a different tool every Tuesday. This, believe it or not, is a 10-foot ladder. It's called the Lion Ladder. So come along today as we show you how the Lion Ladder works. There's another one right here. It's a 12-foot model. This is something really cool, really innovative, and I've got to show you. It's a great time here today on the farm. You will truly be impressed with what you see here. All right? Woo!
From Stony Ridge, Stony Ridge Farm.
Now you might be scratching your head saying, dude, why do we care about a ladder? Come on, can you think about anything any more boring to show on the channel? I want to tell you something. This is different than anything I've ever seen before in my life. I needed this about 15 years ago when I had my handyman business. I had a handyman business, and that's how I put myself through college. If I'd have had a 10-foot ladder that could shrink down to this size, holy cow, how much more room would I have on my truck? So check this thing out. Basically, you just unsnap it, and there's a 12-foot one sitting right here, and this thing comes right apart. So you sit it down on the ground, then you take the ladder and you just lift up on it. Now watch as I continue to lift up on this ladder. It's like a clown ladder. It just continues to go up and up until it all locks into place. And there you have a lightweight 10-foot ladder that's ready to go up and clean the gutters out. Super duper rad. Wait till you see the next thing. It's even cooler than that. So we've got the 10-foot ladder here and the 12-foot ladder here. It will hold 250 pounds, so I'm about this much over the weight limit. It's super duper robust, super duper strong, and let me show you how it collapses. So, for demonstration purposes, now normally this would be on the ground, there are two tabs right here, and these two tabs are engaged, and the ladder simply folds up. You have never seen anything like this before. This is no batteries. This is only the air that's compressed inside these tubes that holds this thing up. And basically it just folds up just like so, and that's it. That's how you store the ladder. Once again, all you do to raise it up, put your foot down, and you just lift it up. It's super duper lightweight, and my grandma could pick it up. This is the 12-foot ladder. Each individual rung has its own set of little locks. So in other words, there are two little buttons right here, and you can see that. You gotta be careful you don't squish your fingers, but as you disengage those little buttons, the ladder will start to come right down. Unbelievable. Isn't that cool? So we can disengage all the way to the ground, and the entire ladder just settles down and shrinks down to a manageable size that you can stick in your closet. Super duper awesome. Guys, there's a coupon code and a link down below in the video description. The coupon is Stony Farmer, and it's 10% off one of these Lion ladders. Let's show you again how it works. You put your foot on the bottom and you just raise up. Just that easy. Disengaged, and it just shrinks right down. You don't have to push it. It's no batteries, it's no gimmicks. It's just the air in these cylinders that holds it up. Isn't that cool? Super awesome. So if you need to be able to store a tall ladder in a closet, live in an apartment, you got it. Awesome. Guys, thanks a lot for joining us here on Tool Tuesdays on the Stony Ridge Farm. It's going back down. Oh. Come on back and see us. Don't forget, there's a coupon code down below. We'll have a different tool, maybe an old tool, maybe a new tool, every Tuesday here on the Stony Ridge. Thanks a lot. I appreciate you. We'll catch you next time on the Stony Ridge Farm. All right? Woo! Come on down, baby. That's a wrap.
Well, come on down to the Stony Ridge. Bring your wife and bring your kids. We're living life pure and sweet. That's the way it's supposed to be, Stony Ridge.